So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. So I have the software open in my desktop, and I have a file that I have dragged onto Illustrator. So I have attached this file in the description of this video so that you guys can download it from there and practice it. So you open up Adobe Illustrator, and here you will have the pen tool. Not this one. This is the curvature tool. This is the pen tool. Left click on it, select it, and then just come here and press down on Shift on your keyboard. Shift, and then click. You will get an anchor point, and then just drag your mouse. Just drag your mouse. Okay, so, and then click. So you have got a line. Now if I increase the stroke a little bit, then I can increase the thickness of the line. You see, here I'm increasing the stroke. Okay, now let's say we need this line to be a little bit lower, or maybe we want to change its position. So we go to the direct selection tool, click on it, we hold the anchor point and just drag. Keep holding the anchor point with your mouse button and just drag it. Wait a minute, yeah, just drag it, just extend the line. Or maybe you can do this, keep it pressed, keep the mouse button pressed, and then you can do anything. You can change the position of the line. Okay, you can extend the line. Okay, so now let's practice on this. So again, we select the pen tool, press down on Shift, click, drag, find our point here. So let's just practice on this one. Let's select the pen tool again, our anchor point, Shift, select, drag until here. Again, just keep the Shift pressed on, and then drag it again till here, then till here, then here. I just, yeah, I've zoomed in on the page a little bit more. I should have, yeah. So again, okay, we had it till here. Shift, here, and then back to this anchor point. So now we have this shape, a little bit of error here and here, so that you can adjust by selecting the direct selection tool, holding the anchor, and just dragging. Yeah, just drag them. Just drag it. Just drag it to a proper position. Here. So now we have it. Okay, so now let's do this. I'm gonna just yeah, a little bit less zoom is okay. Okay, again, select the pen tool. Let's select the let's hold down the Shift, anchor point, and just drag and click, drag and click, and wait a minute. Okay, and click. We can easily adjust it later on by using the direct selection tool. Click, again click, 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 and click. The direct selection tool. Okay. No. We don't need this. Yeah, we will just adjust it. Just adjust it. No, the whole thing just moved. No, yeah. Just, get the point. Just adjust it. Here. Okay.